eBay. You know it, you've probably used it. But did you know it can be your ticket to financial freedom? Millions of buyers, millions of products. It's a goldmine for entrepreneurs like you. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time gig, eBay has you covered. Listen up because I'm about to break it down for you. Think of it like this. eBay is your digital storefront. You list items, people buy them, you make money. Simple, right? But like any business, success on eBay requires strategy, hustle, and a little bit of Gary V fire. First things first, what are you passionate about? What do you know a lot about? That's your starting point. Because passion translates to energy, and energy translates to sales. This isn't about getting rich quick. It's about building a sustainable business. It's about providing value to customers and reaping the rewards. Are you ready to hustle? Let's go. First step, create an eBay account. Easy peasy. This is the gateway to your online selling journey, and it all starts with a few simple clicks. Head over to ebay.com, click register, and follow the prompts. The registration process is straightforward and user-friendly, designed to get you up and running in no time. You'll need to choose a username, make it catchy, set a password, and link your PayPal account. Your username is your brand, so pick something memorable and professional. Why PayPal? It's the safest and easiest way to get paid on eBay. With PayPal, you can securely receive payments from buyers all over the world, giving you peace of mind. Next, set up your seller account. This step is crucial as it transforms you from a casual user to a professional seller. This is where you'll manage your listings, track your sales, and handle customer inquiries. The seller dashboard is your command center, providing all the tools you need to succeed. Don't worry, eBay makes it super simple. Just follow the on-screen instructions and you'll be good to go. The platform is designed to be intuitive, even for beginners. Now, for the fun part, building your profile. This is your opportunity to showcase who you are and what you offer. This is your chance to make a good first impression on potential buyers. A well-crafted profile can set you apart from the competition. Use a clear headshot and write a short bio that highlights your experience and expertise. Your bio should be concise yet informative, giving buyers confidence in your credibility. Remember, trust is everything in the online world. Building a trustworthy profile can significantly impact your sales and customer relationships. Before you start listing, familiarize yourself with eBay's selling policies. These guidelines are there to protect both buyers and sellers, ensuring a fair marketplace. Understanding the rules of the game is crucial for long-term success. Knowing the do's and don'ts will help you avoid common pitfalls and keep your account in good standing. Trust me, you don't want to get your account suspended for a silly mistake. Taking the time to learn the rules now can save you a lot of headaches later on. Okay, now that your account is set up, it's time to find your niche. This is a crucial step because your niche will determine the direction of your business and the types of products you'll be focusing on. What are you going to sell? This question might seem simple, but it requires a lot of thought and research. The key is to find products that are in high demand but low competition. This balance is essential for maximizing your profits and minimizing your risks. Think about your passions, hobbies, or expertise. These areas are often the best places to start because you already have a deep understanding of them. What do you know a lot about? Your knowledge can give you a competitive edge in the market. What are you genuinely interested in? Selling products you're passionate about can make the process more enjoyable and sustainable. Now think about how those interests can translate into profitable products. This is where your creativity and business acumen come into play. Let's say you're a sneakerhead. Sneakers are more than just shoes to you, they're a lifestyle. You live and breathe sneakers. You follow the latest trends, know the most sought-after brands, and understand the market dynamics. You know everything about them. That's your in. Use this knowledge to your advantage. Start selling sneakers on eBay. Your expertise will help you identify the best deals and the most profitable items. You already have the knowledge, now you just need to apply it. Research the market, find out what's trending, and source your products wisely. Use eBay's search bar to see what's selling well. This tool can provide valuable insights into current market trends. Look at the completed listings to see what people are actually paying. Pay attention to trends. What's hot right now? This information can guide your purchasing decisions. What are people searching for? Understanding customer demand is crucial for selecting the right products. Remember, you want to be where the demand is. High demand means more potential sales. Don't be afraid to experiment. Trying out different products can help you discover new opportunities and niches. Try selling different items and see what sticks. This trial and error approach can help you refine your product offerings. Track your results and adjust your strategy accordingly. Monitoring your sales data can provide insights into what's working and what's not. The more you experiment, the better you'll understand the market. Over time, you'll develop a keen sense of what sells and what doesn't, allowing you to optimize your business for success. All right, you've got your products, you've spent time sourcing or creating them, and now they're ready to find new homes. But before they can do that, you need to present them in the best possible way. Now you need to make them shine. This is where the magic happens. Good lighting, a clean setup, and attention to detail can make a world of difference. This is where your listing comes in. It's not just about putting your product online, it's about creating an experience for the buyer. Your listing is your sales pitch. It's your chance to tell the buyer why your product is the best choice for them. It's your one shot to grab the buyer's attention and convince them to hit that buy now button. This is where you turn a browser into a buyer. First things first, high quality photos. These are the first thing a potential buyer will see, so they need to be perfect. I'm talking clear, well-lit, and flattering images that showcase your product in the best possible light. Think of it as your product's first impression. Use a white background to make your product pop. This helps to eliminate distractions and keeps the focus on your product. Show it from different angles, highlight its best features. Buyers want to see every detail before they make a purchase. Next up, your description. This is where you tell your product's story. What makes it unique? Why should someone buy it? This is your chance to connect with the buyer. Be detailed, be accurate, but most importantly, be engaging. Use descriptive language that paints a picture in the buyer's mind. Use bullet points to highlight key features. This makes it easy for buyers to quickly see what your product offers. Mention any flaws or defects up front. Transparency builds trust and can prevent negative feedback later on. Honesty is always the best policy. Buyers appreciate knowing exactly what they're getting. Now let's talk pricing. Be competitive, but don't undervalue your products. Pricing too low can make buyers question the quality, while pricing too high can drive them away. Research similar listings to get an idea of the going rate. This will help you set a fair price that attracts buyers while still giving you a good profit margin. Consider offering different pricing tiers like Buy It Now and Best Offer. This gives buyers options and can increase your chances of making a sale. Finally, don't forget about shipping. This is a crucial part of the buying process. Offer a variety of shipping options and be upfront about shipping costs. Buyers like to know exactly what they'll be paying. Free shipping can be a great incentive for buyers. It can make your listing more attractive and increase your chances of making a sale. Remember, the smoother the transaction, the happier your customers will be. Happy customers are more likely to leave positive feedback and become repeat buyers. So, take the time to get your photos, descriptions, and pricing right. It will pay off in the long run.